Hi, I'm Andy Assad. I'm with Remax First in Calgary, and I'd like to welcome you to 171 Prestwick Landing in beautiful Mackenzie Town. This home is situated in the middle of Mackenzie Town, close to homes, close to schools, public transit, and shopping. I'd like to bring you in to show you a little bit about this beautiful bi-level that has 1,170 square feet above grade. Bring you upstairs where I'll start showing you the 3 bedrooms that we have upstairs. First 2 are the 2 children's bedroom with ample room, beautiful lighting. These rooms are great because they're close to the ensuite. They're on the main floor. Great for a growing family. Also close to the main floor, a bathroom. That's a 4-piece bathroom. As you can see, these rooms are good size. Just on the corner over here, we have the main floor bathroom, easily accessible to the bedrooms. And just across the way, we've got the master ensuite, very good size, with a 3-piece bath and a large walk-in closet. This home is nice for a young family because everything is situated close to one another. That gives parents ease on a daily basis. Next, I'd like to bring you into the family room that gives you ample space for seating, television. We have a gas fireplace and entertainment. This room is beautifully situated, well designed to entertain a good crowd. Parents will have a sense of ease because the TV room or the family room is close to the kitchen, open concept, with ample room as well, which leads to a beautifully designed backyard that has raised concrete patio, grassy area for a trampoline, and has a double car insulated garage. This area is very private, a small oasis that you can retire to and entertain. Next, I'd like to bring you to the basement, which has been professionally developed, boasts an additional 2 bedrooms, which gives you a total of 5 bedrooms for a house of this size. Is not very common. For a bi-level, it's very, very well, it's got lots of room. So down here takes us to our basement. On the right here, we have a very large family room with gas fireplace, built-in speakers and pot lights. This area is a great place for entertaining or for the kids to sit down and relax on a daily basis. Then it leads us to the rest of the basement, where we have a large laundry room that can also have a freezer or an additional fridge added to it. All these rooms come with legal suited windows for additional light and sense of security. Across here, we've got our third bathroom with a 3-piece shower and tile floor. And then finally, we have the 2 additional bedrooms that are very large. We've got our first one over here, which is a guest bedroom. And our second basement bedroom, which in this case is used as a music studio, is the same size as the previous room. Gives us a 5th bedroom for a bi-level, which is very rare in this area. As you can see, this is a very nice house, well designed, presently listed at $417,500. It's been on the market for a couple of months, and I think would suit a growing family or a young couple with their first home. Stop by on any Sunday. We've got an open house. We'd love to show it to you.